Okay, we're going to have a tutorial here about how to create your own digital spotlight. First thing for this project is create a new project, file, new project, and I would suggest that you actually save it in your documents folder, right here in documents. That would be my suggestion. So you've created your project and your project is ready to go. The next thing you need to do is put in the assets, and I have already created those for you right in our drive. Use for our class and go down to Spotlight Test. And we have all of these videos and just pick one. So I'm going to pick this one right here and drop that into Premiere.
Okay.
And
so just like in Photoshop,
I really only need about 10 seconds of it, so
right?
I'm just going to pick any 10 seconds that I want.
Or whatever, it's going to be on the canvas. Whatever you want for your video, however you want
This
it
is
to
the
play.
beginning
this
of my
first, and then this clip, and then this
clip.
piece of text. It's got to be
And I'm going to have a before and after.
in a timeline.
So
Okay, so the first picture that
I'm going to go
up,
right here,
that's gonna be on your
and I'm going to
first
add
part of your timeline. And the second
text
part,
that says
that's how it
before
works. All right, so let's open up Premiere.
and my
To
name,
access
and you
it,
should do the same.
You can just click in the little search box down here. It should already be installed.
And I can't
for
see
you.
that, so I'm going to click, highlight it, go to Properties,
Just search up
and add stroke, make it black.
And if you don't see it
And
pop
that should
up,
work.
then
And
let
I'm
me
going
know.
to go bigger.
Premiere, P-R-E.
So there's before, Mr. Owens. So that is the next step, is to bring in your original clip.
Alright, so we're going to go through a couple.
Okay, the next step is to actually duplicate.
But I want to get through a couple things in here first.
So I'm going to hold down the Alt key on the keyboard,
in the search box
and at the
down
same time I'm holding down the Alt key, I'm going to click and drag and drop the clip. So now I have two clips.
So this is a software. So
They're exactly the
it's
same.
installed on the computer. It's not
And I'm going to go ahead and take my title and also move it over here.
If you wanted to use this at home,
And
you would have to
I'm going
buy
to edit
the
it
Adobe
so it says
package or Premiere
after.
Pro. I think the entire
So I'm
Adobe suite
including
is
the
$60
before
a month,
and after
and Premiere Pro is probably
with this
like
particular
$30
clip.
by itself.
And the total is 27 seconds, so that's fine.
This is, like I said, the term
All right,
industry
next
standard
is I'm going to
means
actually begin adding my digital spotlight. I'm going to click on my after clip, the second clip,
industry that
and
has to
I am
make
going to
videos
go
or
to
create content of some sort.
Effects.
9 times out of 10.
I'm going to type in the word color,
There are some other platforms out there.
and I'm going to use Lumetary Color right
That's
here.
a video
Take
editor
Lumetary
that
Color
you can
and
use
drop it on the
So
clip.
you can use Final Cut, you can use
Then I'm going to go to
Pro.
Effects Controls.
There's another one.
I'm going to go down to Lumetary Color and click on it.
There's a couple, but
Once I've
Premiere
done
Pro
that,
is the
I'm
most
going to
common, most
click
popular.
the
Pretty straightforward once you
ellipse
figure it out.
mask.
I
I'm going
think
to click
Premiere
on the
Pro
ellipse
is
mask,
easier
and
than
it
Photoshop.
puts an ellipse mask
You know,
in
it's a
here.
video. There's only so much you
It's
can
still
do
not
with
going to
video.
really look like a spotlight until I do a couple more things. First of which is under Lumetary Color Mask 1. I'm going to change the mask feather to 150 and press enter. So you notice that we have these dotted lines. So this is the outside of the feathering of the effect. This inside one is where we have 100% of the effect taking place. So I want to make sure that my subject stays inside of the 100% the whole time. So he does go just a little bit to the side here. So I want to make this just a little bit wider so he stays inside the 100% the whole time. Very good. Now once I've done that, I'll go back to the Lumetary Color and I'm going to go to Curves. And under Curves, I have 4 different settings. I have the white, red, green, and blue, and I'm just going to use the white one. Most typically, I'll start about in the middle. I'll drag to the left upper corner, and then I'll also move it up a little bit so I get brightness one way and contrast the other. So that isn't
you can name it
perfect,
about me,
but that's so much
you can
better
name it
than it
your
was.
name, whatever. But we're just gonna use
And I play
pictures
it.
you already have or videos you already have just for this first project here.
And you can see, at least now we can see his face. And because of the 150 feather, it's pretty, it's a very gradual transition, which makes it appear like a digital spotlight. I'm now going to export it. I'm going to mark out, go to export. I'm going to give it a name that includes my name, Mr. O Digital Spotlight.
Mr. Owens or another reporter doesn't know where a certain clip is.
Test, and I'm going to save it to an appropriate place. You should save it to your documents folder. Put it in documents.
So let's click on choose location.
1080p would be great.
We would have a
Export
folder
it.
that you would save stuff to. So you would click on that folder and just save your projects there. For this
And now it's exported.
you can save it wherever you know.
My next step is to put it in Google Drive. So I'm going to open my Google Drive.
To your
I'm done with Premiere at this
videos
point.
folder or your downloads or
All right, my Google Drive. I'm going to
So
go to
again, as
the
you're doing
waffle next to my name.
that, just
go to
like the
Drive.
workout,
And I have a folder called Videos.
Right, so you will not submit this file.
I have a folder called SN. You don't have to have all those folders. I have a folder called Help Videos. I'm going to put it in here. And I'm now going to go to New,
On my iPod,
File Upload.
MP4.
In my documents,
Audio.
here's my digital spotlight test.
Okay, so it's an MP4 is like what you're exporting. All right, so I clicked on my videos
So the
folder,
most difficult
and
part people forget
save.
is I need to change the permissions. So I'll click on the test,
All right, so just
click on
make
the
sure
dots,
you know
upper right
where
hand
it's
corner,
going to.
go to share,
The other thing that I have
Share.
selected here,
and anyone in this group can view. That's exactly what I want. Sparta Schools,
Premiere Pro has like another window.
anyone in this group can view.
Import a bunch of footage in a specific
Click
window.
done,
I like to just do that in the editor. So you can click skip.
copy the link. On the form, I'm going to go right down here to your answer and paste in the link and hit submit. Now I'm going to go through all these other things. I'm going to click my name. I have the skill. Correct Aries brighter. Track subject. Answer yes. Feathers 150 pixels. Yes. Clip has a before and after spotlight. Yes. Uploaded permission set to Sparta Schools. Yes. And hit submit. All right. If you have questions, feel free to ask them.